Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn another interesting best practice. Sir, in previous video, you told us hacking may happen for root account or IAM account, right? Yeah. Is there any way to prevent or stop this, or how to provide high security to my email and password, or root account email and password, or I can say if I am a IAM user, then for me the name and password is my security, is my login credentials, right? How can I able to provide high security for them? So let me write that. How can I secure my root or IAM user credentials? So this is the question. So how do I secure my root account or IAM account credentials? To secure your root account or IAM account credentials, we have MFA. What is that? MFA. I hope the persons who joined at top MNCs, they already know and using this MFA for company email signing up at anywhere. So let me tell you about this. What is this MFA, sir? It is multi-factor authentication. So whenever you try to log into anywhere by using this email account, it sends you a validation by either using OTP or phone call or text based. Based on your preference, it will send you any one of the validation. After you validation only, the signing will be happen. But the validation will valid. That means the validation must taken within few seconds only. So for hackers, it is impossible for them to hack this within seconds. Your password, OTP, or phone call, or text-based message, it is impossible for them to hack within these few seconds. So in this way, you can secure your account. So what are the authenticator apps that are available for me now to use it? We have examples of this MFA authenticators as you can use the Google Authenticator app. This is available in your Play Store. You can also use Microsoft Authenticator app. It is also available in Play Store. So like this, many Authenticator apps are available for you. So whenever you're creating your account, it is recommended. What is recommended best practice? Even AWS will recommend you to use this MFA for account. So for every account, either it may be root or IAM account. Either it may be root or IAM account. What is recommended? The recommendation will be for every account, use MFA. Use MFA, multi-factor authentication, to overcome the hacking. So can I create MFA for root account only, or we can also able to create MFA for IAM account also. You can able to create MFA for root account as well as IAM account as well. So most of the students will confuse that only this MFA is valid for is available for root account. No, the actual answer is this MFA you can able to create for IAM account as well. So I hope you understood. One more best practice, that is while creating your account, after creating your account, you must need to create MFA either by using any one of the authenticator app. So I hope you understood this video. Must follow this best practice to avoid hacking. So I hope this video is contentful to you. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you back in the next video with another contentful topic, another best practice on IAM service. So thanks for watching. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye.